All right, it's early in the day. We are actually getting ready to go to Copart and pick up the Huracan and see if we can get it loaded up. It's raining, that worries me. Top is down on the Huracan, so we'll see. All right, so I really don't want them to do the forks on the car. So we up here at Harbor Freight. I'm hoping I can find me a winch. I don't want them to fork it. It's non-runner. The other one was a running car, so I'm hoping they let me pull the trailer back there and just pull it on to the trailer with a winch. So this is the perfect day to go and get a Huracan, right? It's raining. I bought a tarp. I bought what else? A winch. I don't know, honestly. I feel like I might just tell them to fork it. I don't want to be out in the rain. How much more damage can they do to the front, you know? I don't think much. But we on the way to get it. So we are about 20 minutes from the actual Copart where we're picking the car up. And I'm ready. What's kind of funny is this is the same trailer that I rented whenever I went and got the red one. When I went to rent this one, they actually told me if I just wanted to buy it, they would take $4 grand for it. So comment down below, let me know. It's been a while since I've bought a trailer. It's $4 grand, a decent price. It's been a rental. They've maintained it. Honestly, I think it was $4 grand for a brand new one. They had 2 left. They might be keeping this one as a rental, but it's the same one as this. Yeah, I want a piece. Where's it at? So we've been waiting for how long?
Over an hour.
Yeah, over an hour. And apparently they're about to come get me and take me back there so I can cover the car up. And they're gonna fork it. I told them not to at first, but I just need it on the trailer. It's gonna be the easiest way. And then I have to make sure that there's a key with it because I don't even want to think about how much that would end up costing. Probably too much. That might be my person. All right, so finally we're back here after an hour. Let's see how we can get this car covered up and everything. So it's in there. He's got, I think, a Hellcat to move around. I forgot what else was in there. Another Lambo to get out of the way. And then he said he's gonna let me go in there and put my tarp on there. So it's loaded up. They actually had a fork kit, but it wasn't that bad. Now we got to go back to the main office and figure out why there's no key to it. The listing was marked as key available, so I don't know what they'll do. Yeah, I got the key. I got the key. First they told me, they said, there's no key in it. There's no key for it. I was like, come on now. It's a $100,000 car. I know y'all gotta hide the keys sometimes. So, allá lo tengo, ¿sí la hallaron? Sí. So keys in it. Whew. Happy. So there's the Lambo. Got terrible news. No key with it, even though the ad said there's a key with it. They said they're gonna send somebody to make me one, so we're gonna see. All right, so it's been about an hour since we picked it up, and I'm in a terrible mood. You know, I know they're sold as is, and this one was enhanced, not running drive, but when I see on the ad that there's a key, I expect to get a key with it. They didn't have a key to it. They said they'll pay for the key, but Lamborghini said it's about a 2-month process to get a key for it. And I don't really want to deal with that. We've been calling other locksmiths, but my wife just called, well, I posted it on Facebook and somebody said that it was a rental car. So my wife called a rental car company that rents exotics, and they called her back and said they might have a spare key. So that changes a lot. You wanna help me unstrap it? All right, so we're finally home. And time to get this thing unstrapped and unloaded. Training. So we don't have a key to it at all. So what I'm about to do is go get my tow truck, and I might be able to actually hook up to the front of it. That might help us get it off the trailer. On another note, here's a car I bought from Copart also. Both of these. That cruise over there ended up having the head gasket blown in it. This one right here does not start. I wonder why. And then apparently this one right here runs and drives pretty good. And it's clean too. We still haven't heard anything back from the exotic car rental place about the key, if they have the spare or if they don't. And then I think they're also going to try to find the contact info to the company that towed it. That way maybe they have it. I'm going to email Copart and let them know, hey, how much are y'all willing to pay for a key? Because I'm getting different quotes. Got one today, $3,200. And then another place said that they can't make a key unless all the airbags and everything else is fixed. And it's like, you know, how are we gonna fix all that if we don't have a key to it? It just doesn't make sense. But hopefully Copart makes it right. Hopefully this rental exotic place has a spare. If they do, you know what? We're gonna go and rent another Lamborghini just for the day, just to thank them and enjoy one. So today it didn't go as planned. It sucks. I tried to cancel the deal through Copart over the key. They didn't really care. They said it is what it is. It had a key at some point, but I don't know. We'll see. All right. Okay. I mean, you're on it. Turn this way towards me. Towards me. Yeah, turn the steering wheel. Hard. It's locked up or it won't turn. Yeah, keep going. More. There we go. Okay. Let go of the brake a little bit. Yep. Yep, just like that. Let it go down. Turn that way. Okay. I mean, you're on it. A little bit more. Let's straighten it out.
You're really strong. I can't do this.
I ain't strong right now. There we go. Okay, that's good. All right.
All it goes, okay?
Yeah.
I go?
Yep. Slowly. Yeah, just let it come on down like that. Yeah, you can let go of the brake. Now we got to get in the garage. All right, so what we're gonna do is push it with my truck into the garage. You're gonna steer it, right?
I can barely move the steering wheel.
It'll get easier as we get closer to it, I hope.
How does that work?
There's a few Hondas out there with no power steering.
The only car I've ever driven without power steering was that Malibu on the way back for Copenhagen.
All right, you ready? All right. We're in. Finally. All right, so we made it back home, and she thinks the key's in it. I don't know. I mean, I looked in it when I was at the auction, but I didn't see it, but it's not popping up that the key's not in it, so it might be. So far, looks like the frame is good. This is good. I don't know, we're just gonna see. Might be in the trunk. If not, tomorrow we'll let y'all know when the rental company gets back with us. Maybe they might have the key. Oh, hey, you're gonna be in the video with your pajamas. Look at that. Oh, okay. Oh, snap. We got a key. Is it gonna start? Should we start it?
Have you tried?
No. Well, yeah, I did. That's the key to it.
He was up there throwing a fit over the key.
Oh, God.
Call the dang rental company. Has no key.
No, we can still buy theirs. It's better to have a spare.
I told you it was in it. I knew it was.
She always tells me when she's right. Hey, it still doesn't run though.
The radiator's busted. You're not supposed to turn it anyways, dude.
I don't know. So that video, well, this video is all over the place. You know, woke up thinking I would go to Nashville and pick up a car, be back within, 2.5 hours or so, 3 hours. Ended up staying up there late. I mean, we just got back. It's late, 7 o'clock. And then found out it didn't have a key, but then it did. So it's been all over the place. It's been a long day. Subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to see. If y'all know anybody with a Huracan that has some front end parts, specifically the headlights, they're expensive. Help me find those.